Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Zohaib. Today I am going to tell you a term which you often encountered in your various books, like in the pathology books, pharmacology books, as well as in your radiology books, in your medicine books also. The term is cell injury. It is not the type of injury which you seen in roads or accidents or in trauma patients. It is a type of injury in which there is decreased supply of oxygen to the tissues, and when the oxygen supply to a tissue is disturbed or decreased, it will lead to the cell injury. So basically, what is the mechanism of this? First, if we have injury and if the injury is not recovered, that the person will lead to a state called reversible cell injury. And if a person is still not recovered from this state, then it will lead to a permanent damage of cell, and we call this condition as irreversible cellular injury. And you have been familiar that our brain cells, which are known as neurons, are most sensible to cellular injury, and the cells which are most resistant to cellular injury is fibroblast. Thanks a lot.